long-awaited. Here is the tutorial on Sally Ann. So right now I'm playing with the capo off. I'm on the long neck banjos. You see my capo, but just disregard that. Don't play with the capo for this video if you want to match the exact sound that I'm making. If you're playing with a session, you'd put it on the 2nd fret and you'd have it in the tuning of double C tuning, which is high G, low C, a G, high C, and a D. So that would be how your strings would be tuned to without a capo. And then you would tune it like that and then put it on the 2nd fret, and that would allow you to play in the key of D, which is what most fiddle tunes are going to be played in, because it's easier for a fiddle to play in that key. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to play it very slowly. I'm going to try to have both my hands in the frame so you can see it. This is the simple way to play Sally Ann. I'm going to do 2 A parts, 2 B parts. So here we go. Actually 1 A part and 1 B part. But anyway, I'll play it again real slow so you can get it. So that is all the parts of Sally Ann played kind of slowly in the most simple way. So if you're doing it in a little bit more complex way with a little bit of double thumbing, you'd want to play something like also add chords. You can, you can add a chord right there by barring your 5th string and extend your pinky or anything that feels right. What I'm doing there is just, if you can see this, I'm going. See, I'm going. drop thumb. Alrighty, so I hope that was helpful. Keep practicing.